I'll be using these 3 bananas, overripe bananas I'll have in the house. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, YouTuber based in Kaduna. You guys, I've been lazy this morning. I've been lying down here since I woke up this morning. Today is Sunday. I want to go and cook. Like, I've been thinking on what to do this my hair. I want to apply something that I learned online from this YouTube on my hair, like mixing banana, carrot, and some kind of thing, oil, coconut oil on my hair. Yes, because my hair is not giving me what I want, and I don't want to relax it anymore. Since the last relaxer I applied on my hair as towards last year, November stroke December, like made my hair like this, and yeah, my hair used to be longer than this and fine now. So guys, I'll be applying something today. I would like to carry you guys along, and yeah, we'll be eating new yam today, and I'll be making other kind of food. I don't know yet, but first off, I'll be going to make the yam because I myself I am tired. Eh? So guys, I want to go and cook. My daughter is already helping me. She made rice. I'm supposed to make, gosh. This guy have cooked rice, so we are supposed to eat new yam today. Yeah, has already have asked me to cook new yam. That is why I asked my daughter to put meat for me on the fire before I go and add all the ingredients and start boiling it. Why is she cooking rice? My God, she didn't tell me. Now, wow. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen. Guys, look at my hair. Look at my hair that used to be very, very long before. Like, I don't even know what is wrong with this hair. I don't know what is wrong with it. I'm cooking chicken. This is old layer. So you guys, I couldn't get avocado yesterday, just as I said, and I also begged my husband to help me to get it from the station market today, but he couldn't get it. So I'll be using these 3 bananas, overripe bananas I'll have in the house, and yeah, these 2 eggs. Then I'll be adding half of this milk, and then I'm going to add Mega Grow because this is break free, daily living straightener, daily defense against breakage. That is why I want to add part of this to this mixture. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix all of it and apply to my hair, and yeah, I'll show you guys the outcome. Okay.
That's my key.
So guys, here is it. I just wish that is light. I would have used blender to blend it, but I used this spoon to smash it. Yeah, I'm putting this quantity. And I'm going to be needing only the egg white. This one is not coming. I thought it's not going to come out. The egg white is actually very small. from this. Okay. I don't need this to be too watering. If not for this mayonnaise, this is very edible, but for the mayonnaise, it's not. Sorry, what am I calling mayonnaise? The mega goods. Let's go apply it. Comb my hair. Before I start applying it. So guys, yeah. Guys, I added honey at the last, because I didn't remember from the beginning. At the last minute, I added honey. So this is what my hair is looking like. So guys, I'm done. So I'm going to use this shower cap to, cover it and then allow it to steam. Yeah, so I believe this is going to stop the hair breakage that I'm always having. Anytime I comb my hair is always breaking, falling off. Like, here is the comb I use in combing my hair. Look at my hair. So guys, I just done prepping my ingredient for this yam I want to cook. So here is the yam. Okay, I'm just going to be cooking very little because, as I said earlier, my daughter has already boiled rice, pepper, crayfish, my seasoning. Here is pepper soup spice, onion. Here is chicken, scent leaf, and yeah, that is all for our ingredients. So let's start cooking. Let's go in with. Here is my yam. Go in with the chicken. Here is pepper. My seasoning. So guys, I've just finished sharing our new yam, and here is what it looks like. Okay, for I, my husband, and my kids. So you guys, I hope I tried the cooking of this yam.